Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Tkaczuk, or RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to do is talk about the equity markets. And as far as the equity markets go, we're sort of in a near-term caution. Now, here's what it's always important to know your time frame, meaning long-term view still looks very good. We have a very accommodative Fed. Earnings are decent. The economy is growing good. So long-term view, the markets are doing well. However, in the short term, what we're seeing is a little bit of a lot of the software stocks that were leading this market are a little bit extended and coming in. So we did raise cash on Friday. We're sitting on some of that cash, looking to see where to deploy it, see where things start coming in. And you look at the general indexes, it's very possible the S&P 500 could come into its 200-day or 50-day, which would be right about 2750, 2730. It's not that far away, about 2%. The NASDAQ below the 7600 level now may come into maybe the 75 to 7400 level. That's to be seen. Now, if those levels were to break down, that'd be a little bit of a concern. Now, the Dow also, below 26,000, but well above 25,000. If it were to drop below 25,000, again, that long-term view may change a little bit. Now, probably the most disturbing thing maybe for the long-term view is the Russell 2000, the small cap index. It's not looking very good. It's below its 200-day and 50-day. So we want to see some improvement in that. But of course, that's always the indexes. I always talk about look at leading stocks, how they're acting. And what we're seeing is a lot of stocks, they're taking hits. They're not broken by any stretch of imagination. They're just coming into below their 10, 20 days. Perhaps some of them will test the 50 days. So at this point, kind of sitting tight on the short-term view. Always consult your financial advisor what you want to do. But look to see if, as leading stocks, if they pull into their 20 days, if they undercut them, if they recover them, that may be your chance to get in on the dip, or perhaps even back into the 50-day moving average. So as always, the price and volume be your guide. Right now, short-term cautious, mid and long-term things are still looking good. So it depends on your time frame, what kind of trader you are. But as always, the price and volume be your guide. This is George Tkaczuk, or RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.